Alright, guys, this day was a very terrible day for me. Google took me to a different location from the location I was meant to. I was supposed to go to SpeedF office to collect my Temu package, but Google took me to a roundabout and said that is my destination, and I was lost for like 4 hours. And the fact that a friend guessed the right direction right a day before, but I decided to go with Google. Finally collect my Temu package. I can't wait to let's face the reality, guys. Yeah, guys, here comes the moment of truth. Hey, you won't believe. You see that thing you are seeing was actually a mirror that I ordered. I never knew it was a sticker on the mirror they were selling. It was not funny, oh, but how good? It was not my main target, so I wasn't that bothered. Then the main target is here, is the mic. Like, I've actually hoped for this. Like, I keep waiting, like, God, what if I got a rubber band? You get that kind of feelings. But guess what, guys? I was excited to see it, but the African girl in me was seen doubting, like, what if this thing is just I don't even know. So even when I saw it, I must test it before I believe. Anyways, the mic, not those things I'm throwing up and down, the mic actually made me happy, and I actually forgot the stress and the ups and downs I went through. Let me even finish the gist. I ended up at the fuel station, and oh, this sticker was so pretty. Like, I love it so much. Yeah, so at the fuel station, it was a guy that ended up telling me where SpeedF office was, and I was so grateful. Every other thing I ordered is nice, especially the mic. I've tried it. I'm going to include video. The noise cancellation was something else. In fact, let me use the mic so that you guys will hear it. So yeah, now I'm using the mic. So I think, guys, the fact about Temu is you just have to be patient. Like, read the description. Don't just pick because you want to pick. Like, take your time to know what is that talking about. Like, got a sticker for, I thought it was a mirror, not knowing that it was a sticker. So it was when I went back there after the order, I discovered that it was a sticker. So guys, I think if I'm to rate them, I should be giving them 8 over 10. Yeah, I believe you can see the difference in the mic and the first one I did. So a Temu package, my first Temu package. Will I order from them again? Yes, of course I will. Check the sticker. They're so pretty. Yeah, guys, thank you.